Good afternoon, I'm Federica. Today we are going to review the account of Syed. Syed joined our funded trader program last June on the 3rd and hit his first 10% target on the 9th of December. So first of all, congratulations Syed on hitting your first target. And now let's have a look at the equity line. So we can notice that Syed never went into negative territory unless for few moments, but he was down less than 1% on his account, and this is the first important thing, good thing to mention about his account. He had a quite steady start. In fact, by the end of June, he was up 4% on his account. Then something happened and he went back on the initial account balance until here. August, by the end of August, mid-August, we can see he started to accumulate again profits until the 23rd of 27th of October, 23rd, 27th of October, when he was really close to hit his first 10% target, because he was up almost by 9%. Then something happened and we went back to a positive 3, almost 4% on his account, but then he managed to recover and hit his target on the 9th of December. So let's have a look at the statistics here. We have an average daily return of 0.05%, monthly 1.51%, with a floating drawdown of 5.21%. Okay, let's have a look at the advanced statistics to see if we can better understand the way Syed traded with us. So we can see here 428 position opened with a profitability rate of 88%, which is very good. He has a very, very good winning ratio. An average win of 6.2 pips, so with an average loss of 30 pips. Although, since he has quite a good number of trades with a really nice, with a really good profitability rate, he still managed to be profitable. Let's have a look at the best trade and the worst trade. So, best trade was on the 23rd of October. He gained $155, while on the 30th of October he lost $738. In terms of pips, we can see that the worst trade, I believe it was the same one because we have the same date, and he lost 147 pips, while on the 3rd of December he had his best trade in terms of pips and he gained almost 100 pips. So let's have a look at the summary to see on which pair he traded the most, these more than 400 position that he opened. And we can see that he was interested in the general Forex market in general. We can see quite a good number of position opened in almost each pair. Let's have a look at the most profitable ones. We can see here more than $500 gained on his 12th position on the pound Swiss franc, where he gained 128 pips. We can also see here on the CAD Swiss franc 36 position opened, he gained 168 pips, resulting in a profit of $350, which is good. Then we see other good position opened in other pairs, and let's have a look at the negative side. We can see here dollar yen 13 position, he lost slightly more than $200, as well as here 25 position on the Aussie dollar, he lost $145, but overall well done. Average trade length 4 hours and 21 minutes. So let's have a look at the duration scatter plot as well. So we can see how the majority of his positions were held for less than 1 day, with just a few other examples of positions held for longer, but just few of them actually, and unfortunately one negative position held for 7 days. But the majority of those, as we saw it from the profitability bar, were extremely, were really profitable for him. Okay, very well done, Syed, and we look forward to do the second review of your account.